entrance, and we are shaping up for some full-throttle excitement tonight. I don't know about you all, but I'm feeling great. I had 3 square meals, and I'm ready to rock and roll. If you peek into this oval-shaped arena, you'll see all of our contenders revving up their engines, and they are firing on all cylinders. Now, each of our competitors will perform a variety of tricks to amaze and dazzle all you fine folks. First up, we have Bolt.
Yeah!
Bolt will start off the evening by jumping over a cube. A cube has 6 faces that are all squares, and it looks like an ice cube or a toy block. Except this cube is going to be a little bigger than those ice cubes in those drinks you're holding.
Whoa!
And he did it!
Yippee!
Listen to that thunderous applause. Well, sure, he can jump over a giant cube. But what about a giant sphere? A sphere is perfectly round, has no edges, and it looks like a ball or a marble. And look at that! This Bolt fellow must be from another dimension! Now, let's see if he can make his way to the next hemisphere, or at least roll his way over it.
Uh-oh.
A hemisphere is a half of a sphere. The base is a circle, and it looks like half of a watermelon or an upside-down bowl. Amazing!
Woohoo!
Now it's time to bring out our next contender, Ladybug.
Yeah!
Don't let the ladies' looks fool you. This beauty's got the strength of a beast. For her first trick, she's going to pull a giant cylinder into its upright position. A cylinder has 2 flat faces that are circles and looks like a can or a drum. And she did it!
Yippee!
Ladybug will continue to wow us with her brute strength by pulling a large cone all around the track. And no, this cone doesn't have a scoop of ice cream on top. A cone has a circular base that narrows towards a point. It also looks like a party hat or a traffic cone. And look at her go! That may as well be an ice cream cone with the way she's dragging it around the track.
Yeah!
But that's not all. Ladybug's got even more tricks up her sleeve. Now she's going to dazzle us with her amazing coordination as she balances on top of a giant pyramid.
Yahoo!
That's right, on top of a giant pyramid.
Whoa!
A pyramid has a square base with 4 triangular sides. It looks like the Egyptian pyramids or the tops of some houses.
Yay!
Wow! Is there anything this spotted beauty can't do? Last but not least, our third contender is Buzz. And as you can see, our crowd is buzzing with energy for our cheerful little friend. For his first trick, he's going to jump over a giant cuboid.
Wow!
That's right, not a cube, but but a cuboid, or rectangular prism as it's often called. A rectangular prism has 6 faces that are all rectangles. It looks like a present or a toy chest. And he did it! For our last trick of the night, Buzz is going to ride up a triangular prism and jump through a torus. Oh my, I don't think I can jump through that torus without getting stuck inside of it. A triangular prism has 2 flat faces that are triangles. It looks like a tent or a wedge of cheese. Yum! A torus doesn't have any edges and has a hole in the middle of it. It looks like a donut or an inner tube.
Wow!
That is one for the record books, all right. Let's recap these incredible shapes that challenged our competitors. Cube, sphere, hemisphere, cylinder, cone, pyramid, rectangular prism, triangular prism, torus. All the trucks are winners in my book. Thank you once again for joining us, and don't forget to keep on tracking!
Yes, keep on tracking, girls. Here is the video was about the 3D shape that we talked about the last lesson. Can you see the tracks just make tricks around these 3D shapes? We have a very huge jump on the cube, sphere, and the new shapes like a hemisphere. We have cylinder. Also, we have rectangular prism, and finally a cone. So these are the shapes that we took in the last lesson. Today together we will make a new shape, but a new 3D shape. We call it a composite solid. Composite solid. We will compose the 3D shapes together to make a new 3D shape. Let's see how. Before we will start, let's revise together the vocabs for the 2D shapes. Say after me: circle, 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 square, 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 rectangle, 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 triangle, 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 rhombus, 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 rhombus. So here is the 2D shape. Just remember how we draw them. Here is the circle, here is the square, here is the rectangle, here is triangle, here is the, wait a minute, yes, here is a rhombus. Yes. Let's see the next. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay. Now the 3D shapes we have together with me, say sphere, sphere, rectangular prism, rectangular prism, cube, 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 cylinder, 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 pyramid, pyramid, finally cone, cone. Excellent. Now these are the 3D shapes. Here is the cylinder, 2 faces. Here is the cube. I have 6 faces. And how many corners? 8 corners. Here is rectangular prism, also 6 faces and 8 corners. For the sphere, 0 faces and corner. For the cone, 1 face and 1 corner. Look here. If I have this rectangular prism and I want to play with my sister, this is me and this is my sister. She told me why we don't put the 3D shapes together and make a new shape. I said, wow, good idea. Let's see now what the next shape I will put. It's what? I said, it's a cube. So here I have rectangular prism and a cube. My sister said, what about another shape? What this shape? Perfect, it's a pink sphere. Wow, so here I have a composite shape of rectangular prism, cube, and sphere. In the other room, Mark and Jack were making castle. They bring a cylinder and pole, and they put over it what? Yes, a cone. So they start to make the castle. So here is, as you can see, I can make a new 3D shape by putting the 3D shapes together. So here is, I make a composing solid. A composing solid. So here, count each kind of solid, then write how many. So how many rectangular prism you can see here? Yes. Let's count them. I can see 1, 2, 3. Perfect, 3. How many cube? Yes, this should be like a cube, but maybe when I make the page long to fit on my slide, but in your book this is a cube. How many cube I have? Perfect, 1. How many sphere? 1. How many cones? 1, 2, 3. How many cylinders? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and here is 4, and here is 5. See? In these, I put the 3 cylinders together. So I have 5 cylinders. So composite solids are formed by putting solids together. See? If I put a cube with the cone, I have an U. I call it a composite solid. Here, if I'm breaking down this composite solid, I have a new, and I have the part, they are cube and rectangular prism. So your job is breaking, then rebuild. Break and rebuild. Break and rebuild. Here is, write the number of solids you can find in each figure. They start for cones 2 and for cylinder 1. How many cubes? 1, 2. Perfect. How many rectangular prism? 1. Excellent. Here. How many cones? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many spheres? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. 4. How many what this cube? Can you see any cube? No, 0. How many rectangular prism? 1, 2. Wow, so easy. Take apart this composite solid, and make a new one. Draw the new figure. So I bring the same parts and I want to make another composite solid. Maybe if I want to put, because the cone I can't put any figure on it, so the cone should be on the top. So maybe I would put first the rectangular prism. Yes. Then the sphere. And finally the cone. This looks like a birthday cake. Yes. Now here is match. The first one, I have what? Rectangular prism and a cone. Where is rectangular prism and a cone? Perfect, here. Here I have, what do you call this one? Cylinder and a cone. Amazing. Here, sphere and a pyramid. Excellent. Cube and a sphere. Wow. Now tell what solid make each figure. What I put here? Yes, rectangular prism with a cube. What about here? Yes, it's a cube with what? With cylinder. Excellent. What about here? Sphere. Perfect. With what? With cone. Amazing. Yes. Here what I have? Excellent. Two cones. Cone and cone. What about here? Yes, a sphere with cylinder. What about here? Yes, a sphere with what? With cone. Yes, I'm just writing the name, so you have to know how to write these, spell it correctly. Here it is. Refer to problem solving. I am a composite shape made of two three-dimensional shape. One of my shapes has 6 faces, the other has 2 faces. Write the name of the 2 shapes. So you remember the 6 faces? Maybe cube, maybe a rectangular prism. The other one, 2 faces. Which shape has 2 faces, like a Pepsi can? Excellent, cylinder. So you can choose a cube or rectangular prism. Let's write a cube. And the other one, cylinder. Because cylinder has 2 faces and the cube has 6 faces. Jack said that these 2 composite shapes are not the same. Do you agree? And explain. Can you see? Yes, the first one is a cube with a cone. The other one is a rectangular prism with a cone. So are they the same? Excellent, they are not the same. So did you agree with him? Yes, because let's name here in 1 and here is 2. Because the first is putting, for example, a cube plus what? A cone, while the other is rectangular prism plus cone. Yes, that's it. Now here is your vocabulary check. Let's see. The globe. The shape of the globe. Perfect. It's a sphere. It's a trash basket. Yes. Cylinder. Excellent. The box. Gift box. Perfect. It's a cube. Here is your homework. You have to match the same as I did. So here the first one, what I have. Cylinder with what? With cone. Excellent. So you have to know how to read the words. Cube and pyramid. Cube and pyramid. Perfect. Cone and a cube. Excellent. Rectangular prism and sphere. Cut in half. So it's a semisphere. Yes. Perfect. Here is also write what shapes you have. What the first one? Yes. Perfect. Pyramid. The other one? Yes. Excellent. Cube. Yes, the next one. Yeah, the next here. Yes, sphere with cube. Perfect. Here, excellent. Cone and cube. Yes. Yes, there is a game here. Just I want to match between the shape and the picture. It looks like the same shape that I have. Let's try together. I will try with you. For example, this is window in the ship. Maybe it's a shape of a circle.
Circle.
Very nice. Yes. Let's see. This is what?
Cone.
Cone. Excellent. Yes, for the boat, this one.
Triangle.
Triangle. Perfect. Cylinder, maybe here.
Cylinder.
Yes.
Rhombus.
Rhombus. Perfect.
Cube.
See next. Oopsie. Let's see. There is a new shapes, but never mind. Teacher Noor is here. That's this one. It looks like the cup here.
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Square. I'm a square.
Square.
This is small circle. Yes, it's the center of the flower.
Circle.
The cube. Help me. Come on, help me. Where do I put the cube? Yes.
Cube.
Here are the rhombus. Equal sides.
Rhombus.
This is a new shape. I call it. It's a not hexagon. Yes.
Octagon.
Sorry, octagon. Wait. Let's see next. Circle.
Circle.
What about this cylinder?
Cylinder.
And this
Cone.
Triangle.
Triangle. Rectangle. Rhombus.
Rhombus. Perfect. did it. So I love this game. It's just matching between the shape with 2D shapes and 3D shapes to a real life shape. Teacher, you have to remember, for example, you can see this is a pizza. Yes, they show for you the face of the pizza. But the pizza, if I look to the pizza as a whole, it has the three heights. Yes.